Ever walked into a room and felt like you were invisible? Like no matter what you said, people just didn't take you seriously? Well, what if I told you the secret to gaining respect isn't about what you say, but how you move? Yep, your body language is like a silent superpower, and today I'm revealing 6 secrets to make sure you command respect from anyone. Yes, even that one coworker who always steals your lunch from the fridge. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll be walking into rooms like you own the place. Snacks included. Secret number 1. Stand tall, but not like a tree. Let's start with the basics, your posture. Slouching makes you look like you're auditioning for the role of invisible human. Standing tall, on the other hand, is like wearing a neon sign that says, "I'm here and I matter." But here's the trick. Don't overdo it. You're not a tree trying to impress the wind. Just imagine a string pulling you gently upward from the top of your head. This simple tweak screams confidence, and people respect confidence. Think about it. When you see someone slouching, what's your first thought? Probably not, "Wow, they look like a leader." But when someone stands tall, you can't help but notice them. It's like they've got an invisible crown on their head. And the best part? You don't even have to say a word. Your posture does the talking for you. So, stand tall, but remember, you're going for regal, not rigid. Secret number 2. The power of the pause. Here's a fun fact. Talking too fast or jumping into conversations makes you seem nervous. It's like you're racing to get your words out before someone interrupts you. But here's the secret. Slow down. Instead of rushing, try the power of the pause. Before you speak, take a beat. Let the silence work for you. It's like saying, "I'm so important. My words deserve a dramatic entrance." Think of it as the body language version of a mic drop, without the mic. When you pause, you give yourself time to think, and you give your words weight. It's like adding a spotlight to your sentences. And guess what? People will start leaning in to hear what you have to say. So next time you're in a conversation, don't be afraid to pause. It's not awkward, it's powerful. Secret number 3, eye contact, not staring. Eye contact is like a handshake for your eyeballs. It shows you're present and engaged. But here's the catch. Don't turn it into a staring contest. No one wants to feel like they're being interrogated by a detective who's had too much coffee. Aim for a natural, steady gaze. If you're nervous, focus on their eyebrow. They'll never know, and you'll avoid the awkwardness of looking like you're trying to hypnotize them. Here's why eye contact matters. It builds trust. When you look someone in the eye, you're saying, "I see you, and I'm listening." It's a subtle way to show respect. And guess what? Respect is a two-way street. When you give it, you're more likely to get it back. So, practice your eye contact, but remember, blinking is allowed. Secret number 4. The magic of the nod. Nodding is like a secret handshake for respect. When someone's talking, nod occasionally to show you're listening. But don't go overboard. You're not a bobblehead. A subtle nod says, "I hear you, I respect you, and I'm not secretly planning my grocery list in my head." Here's the thing. People love feeling heard, and when you nod, you're giving them that validation. It's like saying, "Your words matter to me." Plus, it keeps the conversation flowing smoothly. So, next time someone's talking, give them a nod. It's a small gesture, but it packs a big punch. Secret number 5. Hands out of pockets. Here's a quick tip. Take your hands out of your pockets. Hiding your hands makes you look unsure, or like you're hiding something, like snacks maybe. Keeping your hands visible, on the other hand, makes you look open and confident. It's like saying, "I've got nothing to hide, except maybe my killer dance moves." When you use your hands to gesture naturally, it adds energy to your communication. It's like adding exclamation points to your sentences. But remember, keep it natural. You're not conducting an orchestra. Just let your hands move with your words, and you'll instantly look more engaging and confident. Secret number 6, the respect walk. Finally, let's talk about your walk. You know that person who walks into a room like they own the place? Be that person. Walk with purpose, but not like you're late for a flight. Keep your pace steady, your head up, and your movement smooth. It's not a runway, but hey, if you feel like strutting, go for it. Your walk says a lot about you. A slow, slouchy walk says, I'm not sure I should be here. But a confident walk says, I belong here and I'm ready for whatever comes my way. So, next time you walk into a room, own it. You don't have to be the loudest person in the room. Just walk like you're the most important. So there you have it. 6 body language secrets to gain respect from anyone. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Stand tall, pause like a pro, and for the love of snacks, take your hands out of your pockets. Start practicing these today, and soon you'll be the person everyone looks to when they walk into a room. And who knows? Maybe that lunch-stealing coworker will finally think twice before messing with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stand tall, unless you're in a low-ceilinged basement. Then, maybe duck a little. Now go out there and own your body language like the rock star you are.